Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Ahmad Ismail. Today we will talk about that how you can export docking result to .text file, .csv file and Excel sheet. In molecular operating environment, when you perform the virtual duck screening, the huge number of results are generated and sometimes you need to get these results into the Excel or CVS file. So in this tutorial we will explain step by step that how you can export these results. So let's start. This is our MOE software. In the MOE software we have already performed the docking. So let me load these results. I am going to file, into open. On the desktop I have a folder with the name demo MOE, in which I have the database file for the docking results and the protein file. First of all, I am going to change the current working directory to this folder. Now, first of all, I am going to upload these results. These are my docking results, and then I am going to upload the database, and these are the results of docking result. You can see there are huge number of values, and I want to export these all values into a text file or the .cvs file. This is super easy to perform this. For this you need to go in the database viewer, you need to go to the file and click on the save as. After click on the save as, save the file as smiles or sq, in which in the bracket it's written as .txt file. To this I am going to name it the docking results. After naming it, make it sure over here you can see .text. Then click on the don't need to change anything else. Click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, you can see in this folder, in this demo folder, you see a docking result in .text file. You can see these are all the docking results. Contain all the features. It's a pretty messy data, but when you export into Excel and .cvs file, it will become more easy to understand. For this we need to right click and make a new Excel sheet, Microsoft Excel worksheet. I'm going to name it docking results. Again, this is the Excel sheet, then open it. After opening it, go to the file and click on the open and go to the browse and go to that particular folder. On desktop I have this folder, desktop. In demo MOE I have this folder. From here, all Excel sheet, to click on the all files, you need to click on the all file where your .txt file is saved. Select this file and click on the open button. When you open the button, it will show you this interface. Here select the delimited option and press the next button. From the next, click on the comma. When you click on the comma, you will see the difference. Here you can see it will separate it into different values, and also click on the space and click on the next. After clicking on the next, just click on the finish button. When you click on the finish button, you can see all these results which were present in the database viewer all are stored in the same format in which they are present in the database viewer. You can see here these are basically the structure file. From here the structure are converted into smiles, and rest information like S score, RMSD score, all values have been stored here. You can perform analysis, you can simply export it to the your supplementary file, into your thesis, into your publication, or so on. So this was all that. You can simply click on the save button to make it sure that all result has been saved, and now you can perform the working as you like. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you so much for liking. Allah Hafiz.